Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the error -2002F during the setup process or during the internet recovery. So this is on my iMac, but it will also work on other macOS setup such as your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or your iMac. Okay, what you need to do is you need to log into your Wi-Fi router and change the primary DNS and secondary DNS from your local DNS to Google DNS. So here I'll put in 8. So here you want to change it to 8.8.8.8, and down here will be 8.8.4.4 as a secondary DNS, and .4, and then .4. And make sure you click on the Save button to save the changes. Okay, make sure you log back in and confirm the changes. Sometimes it does not update, so make sure it has successfully updated the change. Now we can go back to your Mac computer and we try again. Okay, so here we choose the network. This time we try it again with the internet recovery. It's now downloading, and this time you can see there is a progress bar. So instead of showing the error message, I now have the progress bar. So this seems to be working correctly this time. So if you ever face that issue, give that a try. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.